Exercise 4.1, question number 2 of the 4 part given x is equal to 3y and 7th part are given 5 is equal to 2x. Make in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and find the value of a, b and c. 4th part are given x is equal to 3y. This transfer left side x minus 3y is equal to 0. Now ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Comparison to these equations. Now a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 0. And next 5 is equal to 2x. This transfer left side. 5 minus 2x is equal to 0 and we can write as here minus 2x plus y value, b value not a given, so we can write as 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 5. A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 5. Okay, this is your answer. Now student, once again let's go to the exercise 4.2. means 4.1 completed. Exercise 4.2, it's very important exercise. Now exercise are given here these questions. First read question number first. Which one of the following options is true and why? Which one of the following options is true and why means इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन ट्रू है और क्यों? Equations are given. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has first part a unique solution, only one solution. Third, infinitely many solutions means here is the infinitely many solution, because a pairs of linear equation into variable you can solve the infinite many solution. Okay, all thing means pairs of linear equation into variables के एक से ज्यादा सॉल्यूशंस हो सकते हैं, मीन्स उसे कोई लिमिट नहीं होती. सो ऑप्शन थर्ड इज राइट, infinitely many solution. Now let's go to the question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. First, 2x plus y is equal to 7 and third pi x plus y is equal to 9 and third x is equal to 4y. Solve here the first part. 2x plus y is equal to 7. You can find the different solution, means write the solutions for each of the following. Here put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. You can put 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, okay? But here we can put here the x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 because here find only the 4 solution. Now put in this equation. X value 0 put. 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7. 0 plus y 7. Y is equal to 7. First solution 0, 7. Also put x is equal to 1 in this equation. 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 minus 2. Y is equal to 5. Second solution, coordinates 1, 5. Now third, x is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 7. 4 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 minus 4. Y is equal to 3. Means third solution 2, 3. Fourth, 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 7. 6 plus y is equal to 7. 2, 3 is 6. Y 7 minus 6. Y 1 means 3, 1. Now question number second of the first part. 2x plus y is equal to 7. 4 different solution. देखो 0, 7 फर्स्ट सोल्यूशन है, सेकेंड 1, 5 है, थर्ड 2, 3 है और फोर्थ 3, 1. डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशंस हो गए 1, 2, 3, 4. ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द 4 डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ द 2x plus y is equal to 7. Similarly, you can solve this the pi x plus y is equal to 9. Now part second, pi x plus y is equal to 9. Also you can put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 because different many solution. So put here this pi into 0 plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9. First solution 0, 9. Second, pi into 1 plus y is equal to 9. Pi plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 minus pi. So 1, 9 minus pi. This is the second solution. Now third solution, put x is equal to 2. 2 into pi plus y is equal to 9. 2 pi plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi, means 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi. This is the third solution. This is the first solution, second solution, and this is the third solution. And last solution, 3 pi plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi, means 3 comma 9 minus 3 pi. This is the fourth solution. You can put pi value 3.14 or 22 by 7. Okay student. Now pi x plus y is equal to 9. First solution 0 comma 9. Second solution 1 comma 9 minus pi. Third solution 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi. And fourth solution 3 comma 9 minus 3 pi. Okay. Also you can solve this, the question number second of the third part. You can do. Okay. And last questions, exercise 4.2, question number 4 are given here. Question number 4. Now, question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k given. So, now question number 4 of solution exercise 4.2, class 9th. Now equations 2x plus 3y is equal to k given, and also x is equal to 2 given and y is equal to 1 given. Now x and y value put in this equation, means x और y की वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे तो वहां से k की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. सो 2 into x value 2 plus 3 into y value 1 is equal to k. 2 2 जा 4, 3 1 जा 3 is equal to k, then k is equal to 7. Therefore the value of k is equal to 7. 2 2 जा 4, 3 1 जा 3 is equal to k. 4 plus 3 is equal to k. Now k is equal to 7. Okay student. Now your exercise 4.2 completed. Exercise 4.2 completed.